About 1930, the commercial market was demanding a delayed action entry into safes. It was commonplace for burglars or criminals to walk into a store or a bank and at gunpoint force the employee to open the safe or the combination or face getting his head blown off. So the safe companies were trying to conceive a method of control or delay in a case of this kind. So Sergeant Greenleaf set out to make the controlled action timing device so that when the combination lock was dialed, it would take a preset number of minutes before it would be possible to open the lock. This is a very excellent example of one of the early prototypes that did that very thing. This operated by the employee dialing the combination, and then the clock would start to tick, and it could be set for any time up to 15 minutes. So during that time, it had to be opened within 45 seconds or so of the time that it reached that, or it would relock itself again. So this is a single movement with variable time allowed from 3 minutes to 15 minutes, and it proved to be a good idea, and further design of similar units were made. So I will set this one aside and show you some of those that came later.